Let us study about the human eye. Our eye is like a camera. Its lens system forms an image on a light-sensitive screen called the retina. The light enters the eye through a thin membrane called cornea. Most of the refraction of the light rays occurs at the outer surface of the cornea. The crystalline lens merely provides the finer adjustments to focus the images on the retina. We find a dark muscular diaphragm called iris behind the cornea. Change the amount of light falling on the eye. We can see that the pupil adjusts its size to control the amount of light entering into the eye. The pupil size is controlled by the iris. The eye lens forms an inverted real image of the object on the retina. The retina is a delicate membrane having enormous number of light-sensitive cells. The light-sensitive cells get activated upon illumination and generate electrical signals. These signals are sent to the brain via the optic nerves. The brain interprets these signals and finally processes the information so that we perceive objects as they are.